I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable use ambient sounds during calls. So with this feature, when you enable it, even if you're in active noise cancelling mode, when a call comes through and you pick it up using your earbuds, then it's going to automatically switch to ambient sound mode so that you can actually hear yourself talk. So to enable or disable that feature, just go ahead and put the earbuds in your ear, or in your ears rather, and then go to the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone and then enable active noise cancelling. Now with active noise cancelling enabled, you should see an extra item here in the menu. It says auto switch to ambient sound. So tap on that, and here you have use ambient sound during calls, and you can enable or disable that from here. So like I said, once you enable it, when you receive a call or make a call, even if your headphones or earbuds were in active noise cancelling, they're going to automatically switch to ambient sound during that call. And once you end the call and continue with the other media, it goes back to active noise cancelling. Okay, so this is where you can enable or disable that feature. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.